Do you use social media every day?
Or maybe you want to talk about smartphones and apps in English.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about social media, smartphones, and daily technology.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about social media and smartphones.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use every day.
Let's begin.
Paul, how often do you use your smartphone?
Every day.
Me too.
I use it for work, messages, and entertainment.
What's your favorite app?
Probably YouTube.
Good choice.
What about you?
I like Instagram.
Do you spend a lot of time on social media?
Sometimes.
Me too.
It's easy to lose track of time.
That's true. Do you enjoy posting photos online?
Yes, especially when I travel.
I like looking at travel photos.
They give me ideas for future trips.
Exactly.
Do you follow any famous people online?
A few.
What kind of content do you enjoy?
Travel, technology, and food videos.
Those are popular topics.
What about you?
I enjoy educational content.
That's a great way to learn.
Have you ever had a funny smartphone experience?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
I spent 10 minutes looking for my phone.
And?
It was in my hand the whole time.
No way.
Yes.
That's hilarious.
What about you?
I once sent a message to the wrong person.
Seriously?
Yes.
What happened?
Luckily, they laughed.
That's good.
I was very embarrassed.
We've all done that.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.